I'm going to show you a simple way to activate the follow button on your Facebook profile. So instead of people seeing add friend, they will see the follow option instead. To get started, open Facebook and head over to your profile. On your cover photo, tap the three horizontal lines at the top, then go to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. From there, scroll to Audience and Visibility. Here, we are only changing two things. First, go to how people find and contact you. Tap who can send you friend requests and change it to friends of friends. Save that, then go back to Audience and Visibility. Next, open followers and public content. Tap who can follow me and set it to public. Now head back to your profile. Here, you should now be able to see that the follow button is active. But you might notice your followers still appear as friends, which doesn't really give that clean creator style look. To change that, go back to your profile and then open your profile settings. Scroll down and select Turn on Professional Mode. Follow the prompts, and once it's turned on, your followers will be displayed properly instead of friends.